Question 2, I said you guys should only focus on numbers, right? So whenever we do this thing all the time, we should always write the numbers as prime products. So what is the prime product of 24? 2 squared multiplied by 2. Is that all?
Yes.
It can't be. 2 squared is 4. Times 3, it is 12. Unless if you're saying 2 cubed.
Yeah.
Not 2 squared.
No, so that's 2 cubed.
Yeah, 2 cubed
Yeah, 2 cubed.
times 3.
Yes.
2 cubed times 3. And then 30.
2 times 3 times
2, 30 is
2 times 3 times 5.
times 5. And then 36.
2 squared. 2 squared.
2 squared
Yeah, times 3 squared.
times 3 squared. Are you fine? But now I want to also add the variables. Okay. So now for x, for 24, our variables is x cubed, y and z exponent 4. And then for 30, we have x squared, y squared, z cubed. All right. And then for 36, we have x cubed, y squared, and z cubed. So now we're looking for highest common factor. Highest common factor is a number that appear on all 3 of them. Which numbers are those?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 5 is not there, right? And then on the variables, which ones appear?
The variables.
Yes.
X, Y, and Z.
X, Y, and Z. They appear on all 3 of them, right? Yes, this is how we are going to do it. And then once we did this, because it's the highest common factor, we're going to look for the lowest exponent. So looking at these two, between these two and these two and that two, which one has the lowest exponent?
The one in the middle.
The one in the middle. The exponent is how much? This one. And then on 3, which one is common? Which one is the lowest exponent? Both the first and the second, right? How much is the exponent? Now coming to the x's, which one is the lowest exponent?
The one in the middle.
In the middle. Is squared, right? And then the y's,
The first one.
how much is that? 1. And then the z,
The last one. And the second and the sixth one. Isn't the last Y?
the y here is how much? Is 2, right? Here is 2, and then there is 1. So now finally, our answer is 2 times 3 is how much? 6. X squared, y, z cubed. Yes. Okay. So if you only use the numbers, it means your highest common factor should give us a 6. Frequent 2. That's saying determine the LCM now, right? LCM is what? Lowest common multiple. Not factor, lowest common multiple. So let's again write the prime product of 150.
2 times 3.
2
times 3
times 3 times 5 squared. And then 250.
2 times 5 cubed.
2, it is what?
2 times 5 cubed.
Cubed. Is that all?
3.
Or cubed, not square, right? And then another one is 75. Our prime product is
5 is 3 times 5 cubed.
that's it. Now we're dealing with what? Lowest common multiple. So now we're going to look for the multiples. Which multiples do we see? We see a multiple of 2. There's a multiple of 3. There's a multiple of 5. We're not looking for a common number. We're looking for all possible multiples. So now in this case, I'm going to write them down. So we have 2 times 3 times 5. So now because it's the lowest common multiple, we're now going to look for what?
The
Highest exponent. So now highest exponent of 2 is how much?
1.
It's 1. Highest exponent of 3?
It's 1.
It's 1. Highest exponent of 5?
3.
It's cubed. And then you put this in the calculator. How much you guys get? 750. How much you get? Do it that way. Hey. So question 2, we are okay. Fine. Let's check question 3 now.